we're like the imaginal cells in a sense, and once we build the new organism and have the new structures in place, there's something that's, you know, framing that, but what does the future also look like that the imaginal cells can't even see? I mean, you're bridge builders. So anyway, that's sort of opinion. But what's on the other side as a kind of pure, good world that we can come into? Okay.
I would like, Alan, to talk to that for a second, because that's the most important part. It's like, where the hell do we go? Because we've tried all these things, it's not necessarily working. And then I want to go back to this wonderful old saying from God knows how long ago, the answers lie within. And here's where the answers lie. As I said, every cell is the equivalent of a miniature human by function, needs, drives, and desires. What our needs are based on what the cells need. So we're living for the cells in that regard. But what's interesting about it is if you look inside under the skin, there are 50 trillion citizens. They have jobs. They all have jobs. They all get paid. There's an economy in that system. There's a social organization. There's protection, like immune health care protection, okay? All of the things that we have to deal with in our world, they had to deal with already. So for nearly 1 million years, you've got a cooperative venture of 50 trillion cells that have learned how to live in harmony with each other and share a very small world very efficiently. The future is biomimicry. The idea is if you understand how the cells do this, then all of a sudden you have a platform and a pattern that we must conform to, because nature worked this out long before we figured out who we are. You know, that was already done. And if in 1 minute, if I can, compress, what about the economy? Because that's the big issue we're facing. Well, here's the interesting thing about the economy of the body. The concept of wealth does not exist in the body until every cell is covered with the basics. Every cell gets food, shelter, protection. That's given. Once that is reached by a body, the extra energy that comes in is the wealth of the system. It's beyond what was basic. At first, the cells can collect the wealth because the energy is stored as physical units, coins called ATP. So there's a storage of ATP. And cells can acquire. But interesting, not like Bill Gates where you can have so much beyond anything you could ever imagine. Cells have a physical limit of how much money they can hold, so to speak. When that limit is reached, the extra money is put into the community bank, which I happen to have a wonderful bank. And the significance of the community bank is not for the individual, it's for the entire evolution and development of the community. You can't have a child unless the bank is satisfied that there's already enough proceeds in there to build the next edition and all that. You break a leg, the liver doesn't say, well, what the hell, I'm not the leg, why are you taking my money to fix the leg? So basically, it says, what are we doing wrong? And the answer is this: well, we have a major portion of the population doesn't even have the basics of life. So the first thing is this: how can you say we have wealth when we have people that have nothing? And yet there's enough to give them that basic stuff, and there's enough for individuals to make a profit for their own personal lives, and there's enough for the world to make a profit for the world, and put all this together. And this is so fundamentally important because there's a new way of sharing wealth. And it's a win-win-win situation. Everybody wins in this situation, and that's what a healthy body is all about. And so when we look out on the outside and say, what the hell can we do? And I say, the answer's already been done. Every technology that we're trying to do, the cells have already managed it. They can manifest energy, and they can store energy, and they can clean the environment. I mean, look at the amazing system of filtering the garbage that we live in, called the air and all that stuff. And filter, clean, maintain the temperature and all that at a most efficient level. And that's why we don't have to go look for how to do it. We just have to look at those that have already done it, and they make the pattern from that.